Hello, in today's short video I will show you how to go live on Twitch with OBS. So when you go onto Twitch and log into your account, you will go here on your icon and you will click it and go to settings. When you go to settings, you will have here your profile. You will go to channel and videos. After that it opens a new screen. When you have all this stuff, you will go to the settings tab. It will be open automatically and you will go to the stream tab. On the stream tab you will have your primary Steam key. That is a key that connects your streaming platform with your Twitch account. In this case it will be OBS. You will copy that link, that code that you have. You will go here on OBS. This is OBS, the streaming platform, or the recording platform in this case. You will go to the file section, to the settings, and after the settings you will go to stream. You will click stream and choose the service. In this thing is Twitch, and we will use the Steam key here. We will click use Steam key, and when you use the stream key here and connect account, when you click it, I won't do it now, it will connect you with your Twitch, and when you click this, when you click start streaming, it will automatically start streaming on Twitch. Then you can click stream manager and you will be online here. Now we're offline, of course. And that's how you go live on Twitch with OBS. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. I hope it helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.